Hello Kenda friends, in today's video, I'm excited to share with you the top 3 best face swap video and photo apps for Android. If you love creating fun and entertaining content, these apps are perfect for you. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Reface. Reface is one of the best face swap video and photo apps for Android. It stands out with its advanced AI technology that allows users to replace faces in photos and videos with famous celebrities and movie characters. The app offers a wide range of realistic face swap options and provides seamless blending of the user's face with the chosen celebrity. Reface also includes various filters and effects to enhance the overall result. Additionally, the app allows users to create and share their own face swap videos, making it a fun and entertaining choice for Android users. FaceShow. FaceShow is another excellent face swap app for Android. It features a user-friendly interface and offers a variety of face swap options. With FaceShow, users can easily swap faces with their friends, family, or even pets in photos and videos. The app provides accurate face detection and offers seamless blending for a realistic and convincing result. FaceShow also includes various editing tools such as filters, stickers, and text overlays to further customize the swapped faces. Additionally, the app allows users to share their creations directly on social media platforms, making it a great choice for creating funny and entertaining content. Facelab. Facelab is a popular face swap video and photo app for Android that offers a range of creative features. It allows users to easily swap faces in both photos and videos with just a few taps. Facelab uses advanced face detection technology to ensure accurate and precise face swapping. The app provides various customization options, including adjusting the face size, position, and rotation for a perfect fit. It also offers filters, stickers, and effects to enhance the swapped faces and add creativity to the final result. Facelab allows users to save and share their face swap creations, making it a fun and interactive app for Android users. And that's a wrap for today's video. We have explored the top 3 face swap video and photo apps for Android that will surely bring a whole new level of entertainment to your content creation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.